se minchira mo emi se efia call Miss Bell e call Neat FM acquire allegations say the entire on Miss Bell India grobium eni se oja nadan for Miss Bell and the boyfriend got them one buy na Miss Bell and the boyfriend disappear say video no obi ahwe bi one should be no at the YouTube kwana ekopene he that interview was in Neat FM from there no ena tornado ne Miss Bell so ebetena ase ema Miss Bell ebe defending ne ho ena ko end up wakantanka na si thank you kase atemdidie dia enye na e was Miss Bell enso did Neat FM for atem ekodi Neat FM boss na atem meboa aha me reading here me post na no senka fatem didie senka ma betna wo TV station ma betna o radio station so abeka obi hu asem eti asai me ne mabusuafo ho na wo de wo TV station no na wo ya program ya we invite anybody no e bia enye intentional we dey invite anybody so wo omra wo TV station no so what you say gymnast no say that Miss Bell yes eye no na akofa kantan kansem na ba ana wunim eye no ho ana afia fa ho adidi papa akokra na tem akokra wote dem say me hwehwe ne ba ne number e frɛ ne ba ne say ye en listen you can't go and get Safu Kantanka's number akokra ne number just to call the old man and make a complaint na wo nai kwai afia Schwarzenegger na ne nai ne kwai omuade no bibia kwaso Kantanka station na say wo afia if you want to report to the owner of the station papa ne nyi eketwa osi su nyeme hwe enipa Kantanka tete wo ma ba wiase amagana akrobato enipa kes penifo ya papa edu wo ma ba bonti abwo wo ma ati wo bobo breso wo kofa fon agina wo fie ntokrom akole papa akokra no on phone just to make a complaint efia mama ka za mjiro die ntia oya dia enya meka papa meka no me yesachire dit saw sachire fo ya tete yesa and if you want to grow up efia Schwarzenegger must grow up yan say yes jeni din kokora fo atem sa what me ba bonte be di papa kokora atem say how dare you efia me say me caption no me say just one condom. I don't blame you. I blame your father. I was saying, oh, papa, use one condom back up just to flash you away. Nanka, gan and a phone at all. Mena metaye. My trout walk. Neighbor. My trout walk. Maka, mesa maka. Oh, Dorata. No dear, sir. Me one life, send me link, you know. Share, Mamma Casa Minchlamo. I'm say, Dorata can't be said. Or say Efia is behind Miss Bell and Tracy Watches fight. Listen, Sammy, madam for now. Na say, and some of the Obeka myself and Menquire the same wamia. I won't do it. And my mama Efia is behind Tracy Watches and Miss Beto kwa ne maha. Me kantanka kokra no ote dem no. Kantanka kokra no. Efia in your videos when the papa na temase papa ne cast. Why na eto? Efia, who discover to pio? Efia Schwarzenegger who discover to pin. Kantanka cast and penifo endorse. Kantanka cast. Ya why ye udim se sekesika ewo Ghana. Anke yempeni fo be shemu kina. Amana duria se afie di Africa na se Ghana yetinya ye bibi. Wujina what the cars need deep papa natem. Efia. Ubeti mi ache e car dodo okura o papa ye. Efia Schwarzenegger. Ubeti mi ache e car dodo o papa ye ana. Mam me ko WhatsApp mra. Now babo me. I was Efia Schwarzenegger. Naka wu ba beka kantanka asem no. Naka wo be che ye cars dodo wo papa ye ma Ghana fo so what you say wo papa nya bi da wo papa ne ka wo ye ya ne se wo ko bola so ekope chale dada etwa mu to krom yenu ade praye hye mu ko pempem pro so de to de ko so wa ye ka meboa eno ne ka na ye nkola dem eni nyina ni engofo adidi agro ma menka bibi nchira wo it's about time ya nhwe ya ba bia Efia Schwarzenegger adidi atem kro no obedi depenimu bia tema ebe shock the whole Ghana, to be honest. It is anka the kro mu hime TV station enanka obi kwatra so edidi Efia Schwarzenegger atematika obedi eni kro omu hina temana bibisamo nanka Efia bedi di eni kro omu hina tem eye question mumma me question mumma me answer meba me shout to WhatsApp aba na wo ma mo mesre mo a mama wo mbo bi ahwe ebebo me last time say omo de wo ma no bo me be wo so fine na wo de wai cheze wa we krameja oh of course Jim mensi wu kwanse wunti min share on mind and thoughts so what you say unse obia wo adwen ene se ni osi fa ne nsem fa me se me capture de beto wo no mo no o wa adwen beto wo ma adwen wo formal comment ene wo ma adwen wo so comment the obedi atem bi adwen wo form. That's what I mean, because it's my platform and at the better me try no matter to want is over comment here without insult no fa wa adwen betena ho na ka wa adwen so what you say but o di matter mi hu so wadi me sabe neba me sha ba me di nkomo kantanka Efia wo muade dabi Efia Schwarzenegger muade o muade ba obebuade Efia ebebuade Efia must apologize to Kantanka oyi se Lit FM etimi granti Efia interview ama Efia Schwarzenegger kotra se ke kan se wo pese wo kan eno de nanka eye fair game emeboa Ghana from emonka no kure Ghana from bonkam no kure Ghana for nka no kure nyame anim no kure ni Ghana for nka no kure sanka mo ka no kure pa nka people will not stand on this platform and can't tell me say for the first time Efia is right mungo Mundige root of the matter before you comment. Who can share 1 or 2 videos and then you clear your stand, Emeboa. I'm not saying, say, the insult on Efia family is good. No way. No way. Min yina ha say nka sa atem ni big da. Sa wonu obi ku afani family yina be gyan de did natem. En oya sa no anya ade. Ma meka bibi nchira mo. Safu kantanka. TV station ya ne die o. TV station e kantanka dia. But believe me, ne ban de CEO o. Emebo ana. Ti sa wo fra ne ban ka kire no a. Sa wo fra ne ban ka kire no a. No wa ka kire akokora no. Wo se wo munyiri sa na enye nsem bia ne de eboda wo mo. Ana tu. Se wo munyiri sa na enye program bia no wo mo hwe o. Da bi da. No eno ne de ka se bukura ye mere. Enye program bia no wo mo hwe. Enti to my knowledge, you know, the old man even don't know, say, did what with the TV station. And if you shouldn't have gone there, I didn't think I wanted it. And your friend is a host to the host at him. Because a host a program, so any PA. So what yes, it is that Miss Bell, echo in your friend say, Nayas, echo interview. Tornado ya ode sa ege yi kwatena we ege the defu ebebelebe e kwatena asi the girl no e confront Nayas ene ne coin who say o did TV station what manner no TV station is the station host no host so everybody do obi atema na host ne so the host program no at that moment no won no na bibi agina ne so enti se wo betena ha meba obi onya ayo boy mpenefo meba ba what 1 minute na then Facebook evidence no o ma sana na mesra mu mepa ma chao se o wo so a o betimi zoro kinde onambia unya ba mechiao aha zoro emechiao minim sesa mi obaba abbe etewa hwe unya ba kakra bi emechiao baby biara owo bia I hope say woni family nde ho ye aha meba aka shebe ba ko pene mawie mommy ankasa obia ne se ni osi eka ne nsem fa eni se ni osi ti ensem asefa so what ase enti me no se metwa de to wono ma obrafo de kai osi enipa adwi e December boa size so what ase ye was size 1 size 2 size 3 size 4 size 5 size 6 size 7 aha enti na menche da mblemu obi abebere bi asa mblemu munipa bebere but this time around Efiashua is wrong sanka benuwa di agro enanka yen di agro biemu a Mazin appear on a radio station to say all kind of stuff you said about Mr. Meme or Betua baby amitie ha na betena ye ebe two fire two mu say Miss the emi hu no kre me be two ja two mu say Miss Bear emi hu no kre e ma Miss Bear ene ntonato zuzu ba abonten ebe kasaye ebe kan sem bebre so she decided to go on a TV station no so can the media platforms so what you say enti say wako kan ase wo bia hoka bia adenti na baby a wo kwatena kan Miss Bed ye nidi wo matam nitefenfo adenti na ye nidi nitefenfo atam bibisa mo More who defending Efia said this time Efia is right no. Or what na need FM kai and I didn't yendi need for water. Now what transfer ko kantanka kokra na what in the baby so no. That's my worries. Only Muna Tokwa, they can fight for all I care. They are women, they are not kids. What we are penning for? Miss Benny, if Schwarzenegger can fight to eternity, I don't give a hook. Only a man, you know, me see and I want more. If Schwarzenegger can fight whoever she wants to fight with, but ya penibia. Yen na yen nna ne ho so said the girl ni besi didi na tem no e be shocking the whole Ghana because she's stupid wonne wi na afia no wi na wonne saka wonu wi na wodwen anka obehu se e bia akokura ikura no wonhwe TV ko na wo fre ene ba ne ka kire no papa na te anasa wonte ye se wo fre papa no ena sia pese ye de Kantaka enam baba mawa efia. The best thing you should have done is say find your way to where this man is. Edu just was like episode chem say so wakasa wo pe apostle kwa Joseph Kantanka fie wo Ghana di wo hu ana bibisa mo se afia Schwarzenegger kase wo pe apostle kwa Joseph Kantanka efie wo Accra ba bi otie ohunu Mama me answer. Go there, report your case. Papa, Bibi say na akoswo TV station. Say next year. Na me baba report watch now. You won't stand in your 2 or 3 bedroom flat apartment. And your phone ko friend Apostle Nkoyosafo, is he your mate? Is Apostle Nkoyosafo Efia Schwarzenegger's mate? Maybe some. Efia Apostle Nkoyosafo one more brother papa because as I'm assuming akasa me a oba UK be matter say ya je me man ade ene kra no anya me ya se de ene no waye no because minim say yanye me ba minim say yanje me ma say what ya say aha minim say me wo manan 2 or UK have 2 or Ghana UK I say obia yaje ne ba no wo a hospital one man ya beti baby ni ko ya ma won fa baby ni mafie in case you don't know her. And to get your facts right before what about one say baby one no ono mo sa o kasa nye and to work on it of one was the also I did Jimmy for kwasi ampani and ebe fwa de Efia Schwarzenegger aye so eh penifo nyina and also Apostle Nkoyosafo Kantanka ka mese mumbe se Efia se ka o papa ye agina o papa etimi adwe dia boa Ghana no wo fa mekele ye
people from the window, you're too loud.
Tell them I'm holding a video. All right?
Yeah, but she's gonna tell people.
Go and tell, yeah. She can do that. Nonsense. So what you say? Aha. We are sitting Usum body and wasum kodu. Wo papa, chide ye edwuma wo papa dia ya bwa Ghana. What the actual how mum intersenka wo papa be ba bwa Ghana. Wo Efia Schwarzenegger or do obra ye fa so be pa na wo so. Rather than going here and there roaming about the bush saying all kind of things, nonsense things in Kwana wuti Ghana wa woye. Na benyo obi abegina beka say this time the Efia is right. If you don't know her, you look for the root of the matter before you say something about it. One name being beja go diene. One got not read was one kabia. Uncle Miss Bear was someone. A bushing for. Na kebekwa kodu dia kodu ya na. Present any pushi na ma efia kansen bebrebe gu abonten. Efia kansen bebre. Ya se kasi ye player. Then Miss Bell came with Nana Tornado. Miss Bena Emza non person beba. Tornado therefore ya the country in the better na social media so. Then she came and defend herself on her social media platform, Facebook. Then, or granted interviewer Kantanka. Because we granted interview and now kai. After then, answer why you stood on your Facebook platform, you did a live video. So what you say? Yeah, when you're then you're finding the year. Me obey to am to be penocre pa. Me penocre. Me penocre. Me penocre. What you are saying as a person canocre dia. O when. And to mama na mo comment no. Munyai. You guys should rather tell Efia to apologize to that old man. Because the old man don't have any idea what is going on that TV station. My sisters, my brothers, we are all Ghanaians. Obi no me edetwa emojama. Most en etitiwa Efia Schwarzenegger edi or matter. Memeti wanu araze mu emitri black emenya akola asa ha. Menyini menya akola. Emenyini minsa entime emidim panin komo. Mame ka se minchira mo. Apostle Gwadosafo. Wo hwe ni mfonyi na na odete wona. Eni Efia Schwarzenegger papa page ya me page to wona. Gwadosafo ne betimi awu Efia Schwarzenegger kra papa. Because Apostle wanyini pa. Wanyini wanya akwala. Ya Efia betimi di na gina social media. No did papa kokra na tem blue black. To extend say what can you train me in a wasem and what Jimiana? Are you out of your mind? I thought you also you were a graduate. Who graduated you? Efia Schwarzenegger. Who made you a graduate? Huh? Some insults are uncalled for. Me a me graduate kurano. Me bro fufu ye papa chen. Although and mistakes you don't just say. That was the girl Jimmy. Why Jimmy fucking? She's such a stupid girl, fool. Hey, but papa no and what dear yeah and my father say ayana yeah jigu ya hundi found. Papa no I was a kwasha condom. For if sa ne ba Efia Schwarzenegger no was a kwasha condom. Now we are no flashing what toilet him na anka the whole Ghana here pato yin. Tia. Some ko flashing nanka and meeting fifty. Me say ya hwe ya obedi di wo hene chia me atem de wure be fi say oye santini onye konum wi no hyegusu a Efia wure be fi say oye santini ya was ohye ohene chia me ase Efia be kwa akodi di wo ohene chia me atem mo pa mo any date ento how you be say nara si de Allah mumbo any date into any 17th December 2020 mum fa pen So wugina fia fa mark esro baby. Oh, abonte baby abenya bia wotatwam no mark ho na hwe se mess obatu a ene 2017 afia wo insult ohine chame one day ebe mu nwa moye afia na wo jimisa jimina stupidity na wajimye otimene wotimi hwe enti mada pa wo ba wo pa ma ne manya wie secondary school ama ne ba wie secondary school ne ma awie secondary school pa na gira won ma wo ojimi sa no wo ka asema so okasa fitfiri na pampam sad. Very sad. On say woman, na wo mu comment say na uzo o mu nyina dwane. O mu nyina dwane afrade no so. They can't comment anymore. I was saying you guys should bow down your head in shame. Saying your papa and ko good them. And anka mun ketesi ane mrantie. Muya moniema ena appear the TV station na kaza akokura bia net TV ehu enya akokura bia net eti ho hwe ye nkwasi asema ena amafo ye bio bisa ohun se o papa wudi die si social media so obehwe biara na ka de esekra befem. Don't never ever try that again. Don't never. Catherine Bragg, what is saying? Never ever. If you was nigga, never ever do that again in your entire life. Hey, someone say some maka if you was nigga. Maka no crash no. Until you unfollow me. Everybody should feel free and unfollow me. But I must say. Some is a mechanic crash. And you unfollow me, feel free and unfollow me. Because I'm still about to, I will still say the truth as it is. Na me kai abayi yade ebotachin yade boba. Senka afia nko puli trigger. Senka ani kan ko na radio so. Ama na mbe hite. Na nke bia ka Miss Bell. Enso so enko tena TV enso enka ne ho asem. Obeti wa makasa. Mesi monfa video we enkoma afia shows nigga say memese wajimi e wo senka opapa e hye condom no flash ne to etugu toilet na Ghana enya asumdie ena for your information MPP if them nka jo say omonfre wo ho obedi nya join apia donko ono na birthday obase gum ewo ho join no obetimi join political party bia MPP before the woman frɛ wo ho o ma smart campaign because marriage be bisa say NDC MPP before na frɛ wana wo so o mo frɛ wo just wo o mo hia wo kra wase enti afia twe ho ko ekria adonko onu na epenkofo a campaign yama no adai ena woma enipa me say if you don't apologize to this old man, Ghana will never forgive you for this. And the TV station enye woman na ebe apologize to your family atem the ediene ekoma woman no there be afia enye TV station no the host and Miss Bell woman tena so ka oho asem no omo enna e wo se apologize to your family. The TV station did not say anything about your family, but people on it. Woman better now so. Send your what na need FM. I can't miss bell once no sad tear. Pep. Not that one ga an avobi no me etisa. Why? When obedi agro we want me and stay in your corner. And pakwan stay in the corner na. Huh? Who stay o corner? Then pakwan stay in the corner. Agoni ye dear we. You are not good for me. I'm not good for you. We should go our separate ways. Why can't Ghanaians do the same thing? Must everything end up on social media? No. It's about them. We should use this social media carefully. Me say, Ebeka krano. Zugabe goes one. Just say, obey Ghana for free mua. Nana he met saying. Obey Ghana for free social media so ebe one and yet Ghana for one any social media so there are a lot of countries they are not on Facebook. They are not on Facebook platforms. Zuckerberg have the right to cancel Ghana. So who be a can as you were Ghanaian, you won't be allowed to join on Facebook. A few years. Now young question some social media so everything has to end up on social media. No, it has to stop. Some makers say we have to restore dignity on social media. We have to restore Ghanaian dignity on social media. I put that statement about the fear because I wanted to clear a point. No, I said so become Bibi Sach and I said, ya. Send me a can send you away. She do a bush and fought a no sanity. Sanity. It's about time we should stop all these barbaric things. Must we fight on social media every day? Must we fight on social media all the time? At the end of Obidia go we and I say another one what we and I say a friend saying a good year no and to question no or mujaya. Instead can we find we are one will bring it on social media. Why? And I said what the bar who said the person have to come and defend his or herself because the mindset of Ghanaians binomo oh my God. So one man be defending one, they will believe say anybody can become no correct. Be ananka will try ignore things. But Ghanaians, ya drink na edayetimuno. Omu who said no, this girl and I said this guy is trying to keep herself. He or she don't want to come on social media and explain anything, but they will think otherwise. Anyway, I don't know what's wrong with my Facebook. I say me password. Any pub bebre enyan notifications in my basso, and I don't know why. Mr. say oh so and I say obeti mi aboa mi a na no inbox me why Mr. wa na hu say wo be inbox me no na might say I will do a background check and say no aba me a Facebook so and na me can for element amount element business amount me say Ghana say if you deal with receipts any sign your man you can join. Say won't mean join won't mean join wunya receipt upload. And now or more join Ghana no. They only take the travel and tour parts and but say receipt in account unya 3 different opportunities. It make for element. Go to YouTube and as a Google type element ELAMANT element. Google it. Watch their videos and how they do their things. A shopping research company. Yeah, you recruiting for. The more you recruit people, the more you get money. Obia would in a join bia unya tre enipa miensa pedu qualify. Unya a qualifier. Say would the enipa miensa no e be hyehyewase. Na obia so the threat was then you start benefiting from the company. A business and as the moving business right now no na air cost for you very interested. Yeah, one more joining. If you are interested, my sister and my brother, I will explain to you properly when you understand the answer na old ebe urema old we urem yen tonhwe element or monton bibia. You don't need to sell anything or the answer obebo de wuro obebo omu de wuro achire amansan mediani obeti wa vim powerhouse hey mesi no tata funyanya frame saying vim ya mesi vim yazo no baga wire hey ushia mi apai me epoche na maje oso epoche na maje oso epoche Helen Hayira Pelly et say mechia obi biara na nasafu bejaben mboma mweni na wana minimza Elfia Schwarzenegger enche opim so obedi natem enche ebe shoke Ghana fo yin ahemfo nyina enwa wo mani hwade move money into for mon hwade se kantanka level na ogina no obi otimi ye program ma ayi ohene chia metimi tu woni na hemfo free kumasi timi elanche wo program na se you stand somewhere to kroma didi papa yatem yeah ka asem kire mo say the again ye na nya we have some fake friends bibi na mase support no bidian obeti wa me say I'm the one and only truth sayer. I say it as it is. Medamase, medimubesia, mama bye.